Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about the book The Project Hail Mary. In this video I will be giving you some inputs of the book which will give you an insight and internal willing to read the book. It's one of the finest creations of Andy Weir. It's a thought-provoking sci-fi novel that takes the readers on an extraordinary journey through space and presents a thrilling story of survival of an astronaut, great scientific discoveries and much more. The book doesn't require the readers to have a strong foundation of science, as all the difficult part is explained in so very easy and understandable manner. When one starts reading it, will definitely have an urge to finish it, and even if you will get to the end of the book, you will have an urge to read it more and more and more, because the book makes our human brain to think to such an extreme level that we start manipulating the future stuffs as it was real, even if in the back head we know that it was a novel, it is just a story. The main protagonist is Dr. Ryland Grace. He was initially a middle school science teacher, but as the story continues, his role changes from a teacher to the scientist and then to an astronaut. The story reveals about a time when human society can have a danger of extinction. There are living species named astrophages in the space which will be resulting in lowering of the sun's energy, which ultimately means a threat to the ecosystem. A huge group of scientists work upon this, builds a spaceship called the Hail Mary with the intention to make it reach another solar system which has Tau Ceti as the sun. On the mission, the sole survivor left is our Dr. Ryland Grace. When he wakes up from the induced coma, he loses his memory but slowly remembers everything. The story is written in two times. One is the present, in which the spaceship is there and Dr. Ryland Grace is trying his best to make things better, and another time is of the before the project Hail Mary, where he was a scientist working on this project. So on the mission, Dr. Grace meets an alien species. The way both communicate with each other gives a feeling of amazement, the ultra pro level of the technologies which human would have made in the recent after few years. The writer makes everything feel so true that we start imagining as if we were really present there. Then both Dr. Grace and the alien saves the two planets from the escapade. He sends in the info gathered to the Earth, and then story ends with Dr. Grace living on the alien planet called the Iridian in the Tau Ceti solar system, living alone with the aliens, want to go to Earth but is unsure whether he will be able to reach or not, so decides to complete his remaining years of life on the Iridian planet, learning about the Iridian biology and teaching the kids of Iridian planet Earth. So this was all about the story. I hope if you will go and read this, you will have an amazing experience and will be involved in the sci-fi novel in such an extent level that you will love to read it more and more. So please go ahead and check this novel, and it's fun and you will be enjoying to read it. Thank you.